Hey guys, it's Maria. Welcome back to the channel. We are finishing up Shinedown's The Sound of Madness. And I have some good news that I forgot to tell y'all in the previous videos. Look what I got. In case y'all can't really see very good. Let's see. I know you guys won't be able to see the title or nothing. Because of my computer. But this is Citizen Soldiers Icarus. This is the latest album by them. Damn near 2 weeks before I got the damn thing, but finally we got the thing. I'm gonna do the request that Space World asked me to do after this album is all said and done, and then after I do those requests, then we're gonna work on this. So this is coming soon. I just gotta sit down with the album, listen to it, enjoy it for a little bit, and then we'll get into it. I promise. You just gotta be patient. I just wanted to let y'all know that I got it. Anyway, shameless plugins. EV Soldier 96's Gaming is where you go for gaming content from me. Patreon is where you go for the album review when I'm done here with the album and releasing it. I hope YouTube doesn't give me any crap because I really don't want to have to redo this. I'm going to be so pissed if I have to redo this. So cross your fingers for me. So the last one is Diamond Eyes, which that's how I'm going to refer to it in the title. But it also has another little title called Bootleg Boom Lay Boom. And this is a song that was used, if I'm not mistaken, this song was used in the first Expendables movie, starring Sylvester Stallone and Jason Statham, along with many others, of course. But those are the main kahunas, the main two, the big two. So I'm gonna stop talking. I will say this song is kind of fast, so I may botch it some, but here we go anyway. There it goes. Oops. I am the shadow and the smoke in your eyes. I am the ghost that hides in the night. Bootleg, bootleg, boom, bootleg, bootleg, boom, bootleg, bootleg, boom, bootleg, bootleg, boom. Wait a minute, take a step back. You gotta think twice before you react. So stay a little while, cause the promise was kept and go to exile. Hey, what's the circumstance? It'd never be great without taking a chance. So wait, you waited too long. Head hands up, and that's gone. Bootleg, bootleg, boom. One push is all you need. Bootleg, bootleg, boom. There's a lot fatigue. Bootleg, bootleg, boom. Watch with the bullet eyes, bullet, bullet, bullet. So I hope you recognize I'm on the front line. Don't worry, I'll be fine. The story is just beginning. I say goodbye to my weakness, so long to the regret. And now I see the world through diamond eyes. Damn it all down to one to the chest without even a sound. So what are you worth? The things you love are the people you hurt. Hey, what's the deja vu? Since I'm met with nothing to lose. So wait, it's happening cool. Everyone knows the trend of bulls. Bootleg, bootleg, bootleg. One push is all you need. Bootleg, bootleg, bootleg. Face first philosophy. Bootleg, bootleg, bootleg. Watch with your wounded eyes. Bootleg, bootleg, bootleg. So I hope you recognize I'm on the front line. Don't worry, I'll be fine. The story is just beginning. I say goodbye to my weakness, so long to my regret. And now I know that I'm alive. I'm on the front line, don't worry, I'll be fine. The story is just beginning. I say goodbye to my witness, so long to my regret. And now I see the world through a diamond eyes. Every night of my life, I watch the angels fall from the sky. Every time that the sun still sets, I pray they don't take mine. I'm on the front line, don't worry, I'll be fine. The story is just beginning. I say goodbye to my witness, so long to regret. The front line, don't worry, I'll be fine. The story is just beginning. I say goodbye to my witness, so long to the regret. And now I know that I'm alive. I'm on the front line. Don't worry, I'll be fine. The story is just beginning. I say goodbye to my witness, so long to the regret. And now I see the world through a diamond eye. Front line, don't worry, I'll be fine. The story is just beginning. Say goodbye to my witness, so long to the regret. And now I see the world through diamond eyes. Boom head, boom, boom head, 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 boom head, boom. And now my TMJ is acting up. That's okay. That's okay. Take some Tylenol, it'll be great. Alright. There you go. Diamond Eyes by Shinedown. I'm hopeful that YouTube won't give me crap. Cross my fingers. Alright guys, this was recorded on this last section of the album was recorded December 9th, 2024. And in case anybody was curious, there you go. Alright. I will see you guys later. Like I said, I have some requests to take care of, and then Icarus will be next. But you guys can still submit your requests via the comments, community tab. Hell, you even have my email. So, no excuses. So, I'll see you guys later. Peace.